Hey friends, welcome to GrammarJam Quizmasters. Today's topic is the its versus its quiz challenge. These are the basics. ITS indicates possession or ownership. IT''s is a contraction of it is or it has. Get ready to test your skills. But first, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And tap that notification bell so that you can stay on top of your grammar game. Are you ready? First question. The cat strutted down the street with its tail held high. Choose the correct response from among the following. You're off to a great start. If you chose ITS, you are correct. It's the moment we've all been waiting for. The pizza delivery guy is here. Which is the correct response, A or B? Great job. The correct answer is IT''s. The book flipped its pages as the mermaid delved into a captivating story. Is the correct response option A or option B? Excellent. The correct response is option A or ITS. It's best to eat your ice cream before it melts. Choose from option A or B. Congratulations. If you chose B or IT''s, you are correct. Next question. The sun warmed the earth with its golden rays. Which is it, A or B? Excellent. If you chose ITS, then you are correct. It's raining cats and dogs. Glad I have my umbrella. Choose from option A or B. Well done. The response is IT''s. Get ready for the next question. The dragon flapped its wings, creating a gust of wind filled with stardust. Superb. If you chose ITS, then you are correct. It's so cold outside that even the polar bears are wearing sweaters. Choose the correct response from one of the following. Outstanding. The answer is IT''s. When it's sunny, we'll head out to the bay to watch the sea turtles. Is it A or B? Great job. The correct response is IT''s. Sometimes it's hard to believe how quickly time flies. Did you get it? If you chose IT''s, you are correct. The spaceship zoomed through the galaxy with its thrusters blazing. Which one of the following best completes the sentence? You're doing great. The response is ITS. Next question. During the winter months, it's best to wear layers to stay warm. Choose from the following. Fantastic. The correct response is IT''s. When it's cold outside, our fireplace crackles with warmth. Which option is correct, A or B? Well done. The answer is IT''s. The robot waved its mechanical arms in excitement as the ship landed. Choose the correct response. Did you get it? If you chose ITS, you are correct. Get ready for the last question. Springfield is a bustling city, with its crowded streets and towering skyscrapers. Which of the following best completes the sentence? Excellent. You got it. The response is ITS. Congratulations. You've completed the quiz. Now, if you haven't already, be a wise owl and subscribe for more.